I'm buying some coconut shake right now for me and Lucas. And this brand is really good in Singapore though. And it's kind of addicted to me as well. After that, I'm heading to a stadium to register for kayaking with Lucas. And after a while registering and went through some guidelines, here we kayaking.
Okay, so Lucas is kayak up in front of me. Say hi, Lucas.
I didn't record the register part because I was shy. Sorry guys. And Lucas is kayaking after a while struggling with the paddle. He nailed it.
Yeah, so professional.
And today is a beautiful day, so we decided to go kayak. And since we're unprepared, so we are totally soaked with...
My pad is wet. Okay. Okay, never mind.
And not gonna lie, I'm struggling with this for 30 minutes.
Okay, so one moment, my pan is all wet, and you see all the water here. They came from this shed, so technically, I soak as fuck.
So here's the view. It's a bit windy today.
Okay, Lucas is over there. Man is over there. I'm gonna kayak to his place.
Look at me, I'm trying to be cool in my wet pants. I make it easy, but it wasn't. I just pretend that I'm good at kayaking. And this sport is kind of chill. I don't know what to say.
1 hour later.
I want to lie down and take a nap here. Let the river flow into the unknown, but sadly I couldn't. But finally, I can manage to kayak in a fast speed. Yay! And we were kayaking for an hour because our pants were soaked, so we decided to leave early to go around to dry our pants, and you will see how I was struggling on getting out the boat in a few seconds.
Okay, you're good.
Yeah,
How is it?
yeah, it's great, but like the fact that I'm soaked,
Oh yes, exactly.
real soaked, but it was great.
It's good, it's good.
Yeah. Definitely we come back with
Yeah, with more preparation.
Yes. Oh shit.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah. I think because it was. Are you guys taking like MRT to go back?
Yes.
Oh no, it's so cold in the MRT.
I think we need to do 2 rounds around here.
Yes.
Yeah,
Obviously. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. And now we're bringing our boat back for cleaning and drying. My leg is short.
Home funny video. Like you can go around, but like.
After that, we put our swimming float here to dry. And yes, they're cleaning with the boat and drying it afterward.
Just look at with his pants. This is my It's flax.
And yeah, we are wearing wet pants.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
So now I'm taking my backpack to go out after kayak and
I'm soaked.
and check in the toilet mirror like every girl does.
So I'm waiting for Lucas. So let's just enjoy the view today.
We will kayak at the stadium, and the price is reasonable as well. It's around like $13 for a student.
And I'm doing some dance while waiting for Lucas. And let's bring some music in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we're on the way to go to eat. Oh my god, we are hungry. It's dinner time, and honestly, I don't know what to eat right now. I decided to eat some healthy food today since I ate a lot of burgers. So I picked chicken salad as my dinner, and it's look good though.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here's my meal, and
So Lucas, what you got?
we're going home now.
Doors are closing.
And the train is a bit cold inside since I'm wearing my wet pants. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Bye.